Presenting the ECPL 3836 Pocket eCharge Lighted USB Charging Tool Backpack by CLC. This one-of-a-kind backpack functions as a practical tool backpack while including an integrated USB charging system powered by the provided 15,000 mAh power bank. Capable of charging two devices simultaneously, the backpack can safely charge your cell phone, tablet, notebook, camera, or any other USB-powered device. The 4 internal wall pockets keep devices securely stowed while they power up. The integrated 2-level 200-lumen LED light system with adjustable steel neck is powered by the power bank and helps light the contents of the backpack. Any work in low light conditions is made easy with an adjustable wide area illumination or close-up work illumination. 31 multi-use pockets inside, 5 pockets outside, 4 additional loops and measuring tape clip help organize a wide variety of hand tools. The padded webbed carrying handles and adjustable shoulder straps allow for comfortable transportation, while the base pad feet help fight against abrasion. And when the work is done, the 15,000 mAh power bank is removable and can be used as a power source anywhere you go. The power bank comes with an included USB wall charger. Power up and stay prepared with the 36 Pocket eCharge Lighted USB Charging Tool Backpack by CLC.
Two-Step Knife Sharpener. Smith's two-step knife sharpener features 2 tungsten carbide blades with preset angles to ensure the perfect edge every time. 3 or 4 strokes through the carbide sharpening slots will restore the edge on a very dull knife. The 2 cross ceramic rods also have preset angles and provide a smooth finished edge to already sharp knives. The two-step is lightweight and compact, comes with a lanyard hole, and has non-slip rubber feet for added safety. Excellent for use on all types of knives, especially fillet knives.
When you're traveling, it sometimes feels like you have 2 options. Don't unpack and rifle through your luggage, or unpack, hanging everything up to have to pack again at the end of the vacation. You never had to unpack again. Turtle Packing Pods, where packing and unpacking becomes as simple as roll it, pack it, and hang it. They make airports a breeze, suitcases a dawdle, and on the go a piece of cake. Did you know that rolling your clothes not only saves space, but reduces creasing? Which helps you look like you didn't just step off a plane, even if you did. The unique shape of the Turtle Packing Pods makes them ideal for rolled clothing, meaning you can get more in. They allow all that you've packed to fit in neatly, and you'll be able to easily see everything that's in it, so you can grab it and go. Now, let's talk about packing. Packing pods are designed to fit in all types of luggage, including carry-on cases and large suitcases, as well as holdalls and backpacks. So you'll have no more dead space in your luggage. For real. Here you can see how easily the pods fit into all shapes of luggage. The 3 sizes the packing pods come in make them perfect for a variety of uses and great for separating out your stuff. You can use them for shoes, tech, toiletries, or your gym gear. Even with their unique shape, you can still compress them down even further to make the most out of your luggage space. Just take the hook at the top of the pod and fold down to attach onto the loops at the back. And there you have it. Just another way the Turtle packing pods are super adaptable. From packing to using as a comfortable day bag, Turtle packing pods can organize even the messiest of packers in a snap. One of the neatest features of the Turtle packing pods is the number of ways you can hang them up. You can secure them over the railing in a closet using the grab strap and G-hook like this. And you can also hang them in a row, or even from each other in a daisy chain. Depending on the space, you can hang the pods any way that you like. Simply use the top hooks and secure to the loops at the back of the pod, like this. Secure over a towel rail in the bathroom, or from grab handles in the car. Use the G-hook to hang the pods from coat hooks, closet rails, or from the back of a plane seat to stash all of your flight essentials. You won't need to worry about unpacking again. Your Turtle packing pods can also turn into a bag, perfect to use as an everyday duffel bag or shoulder bag when you reach your destination, or even just at home. Take the free carry strap you get with your packing pods and hook it into the loops at the top and base of each pod, and you're ready to go. Turtle packing pods, the revolutionary way to pack.
Champion seriously got you covered. The Roto-Brute magnetic drill press system is the ultimate hole cutting solution for you. Heavy duty, fast, powerful, safe. A full range of magnetic drill presses and annular cutters to tackle the toughest steel jobs in the field or in the shop. Increase productivity, save time, save money. Introducing the newest addition to the Roto-Brute family, the SB35 Smart Brute Mag Drill. Smart, consistent drilling, hole after hole after hole. Automatic power feed technology eliminates operator error for the perfect hole every time. Consistency equals longer tool life so you can power through your day. A low-profile drill for tight spaces. The RB30 Mini Brute is ideal for drilling truck frames, inside beams, and through multiple plates. Drill seamlessly through multiple plates using our carbide-tipped stack cutters. The AC35 Mini Brute is powerful and lightweight, easy to move around your job for quick results. The external Brute Lube fluid tank evenly lubricates the cutter edge for enhanced drilling every time. The AC50 Mighty Brute, defined by power and capacity, is perfect for your large drilling needs. Tackle your toughest jobs up to 2 1/8 diameter. The best value for any steel fabricator looking to switch between annular cutters and twist drills. Roto-Brute is more than just mag drills. Maximize performance by using the right cutters. Roto-Brute carbide-tipped annular cutters drill 6 times longer than standard cutters, featuring unique triple-edge cutting action and ultra-hard teeth. You will cut hundreds of holes, cut clean holes, cut tough holes, cut large holes. Prefer high-speed steel? Plus 20 XL cutters get 20% more life than standard cutters. Roto-Brute, the ultimate hole cutting solution by Champion Cutting Tool.